The humble egg is such a fantastic food. It is full of protein, it's a great snack, you can use it for a breakfast, lunch, or even a dinner. I like the idea of an egg for breakfast, but sometimes I just don't have the time to do it, and you might be in the same boat. A really easy way to cook an egg in literally 1 minute is to do a poached egg in the microwave. And all you really need is an egg and a cup that is microwave proof. You basically fill up your mug 3/4 full just with plain tap water, and then you put the egg into the water. All we need to do now is put that in the microwave. So here is your really quick and simple poached egg in a minute. All you need now is a slotted spoon to actually lift that egg out and serve it with your favourite toast. Perfect poached egg.